Hello everyone, welcome to Pastor Jerone TV. I'm your host, Pastor Jerone. Today is another great day to be walking with God and to be in the light of the Lord. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So look, the other day I was sharing with you all on my live, I was letting y'all know that Mayor Bill de Blasio is shutting down the schools out there. And this is their way of controlling, funneling everybody into their little web, their little stuff. He's making some demands from the parents. The kids are going to be out of school, all right? And the parents want the kids back in the schools, but he wants to do a reset. This is their new word for the New World Order. They want to do a reset. This is what he said in the video. He said it 3 times. He wants to do a reset. And then what he said after that, he said is that you have to sign to have your children tested. He wants to get the children tested. He wants the parents to sign a consent form for all of the children to get that thing shoved down into their noses to get a test. They are collecting DNA. These COVID tests is not necessary. But what is necessary for them to barcode the life of people? I'm going to explain to what that barcode is. They're barcoding people. They're collecting their DNA. And they're getting the people ready for the barcode. There's a book out there called The Barcode Life. You can go on the website. And this is their way of tracking people. They tested this technology out on animals, sea life, all that kind of stuff, barcoding them, and now they got it ready for humanity. And now they're getting ready to collect samples of DNA for the splicing together of the human species with every other form that they want to do it with. So this testing, this worldwide testing, we got to get more testing, we have to get the testing. They're collecting DNA. They're collecting the DNA. Now, these people that founded this stuff with the barcode, these people, they've been connected to the occult, Satanism, satanic worship. The guy that developed the barcode is great friends with William Henry Gates III, Bill Gates' father. And this dude that founded and started the barcode, it always ended up with the number 666 in it. His name is Norman Joseph Woodland. He established the barcode. He founded the barcode. He created the barcode. And the barcode always had 666 in it. Well, him and William Henry Gates III, Bill Gates' father, was into eugenics, the depopulation of humanity, and both of them worked for IBM. Bill Gates' father worked for IBM, got a lot of ideas from IBM, and developed Microsoft, which now he turned it over to his son, Bill Gates, for Microsoft. And these people are into eugenics and barcoding people and tracking humanity and trying to break the human code down. And this is why you have those Georgia guidelines out there in Georgia. Georgia guidelines said that they must depopulate the human population down to 500 million. Well, there's almost 8 billion people on the earth. That's a lot of killing. And you'll notice with those Georgia guidelines is that it's like their 10 commandments. The Bible has 10 commandments. They have 10 guidelines. And one of those guidelines, besides tearing down the human population, one of those guidelines is making humanity fit and watching over their reproduction. And here's the thing, Bill Gates' father was one of the people that established Planned Parenthood. He helped start Planned Parenthood with Margaret Sanger. And they did this to control the weeds, that is the black population. They knew that the black and the poor population, they want to get rid of them first. And so Bill Gates took on this same passion and began to develop vaccines that wiped out populations, created cancers, diseases that messed with men, reproduction, all that. And so this is his passion, to cause people to depopulate. So this is what Bill de Blasio is doing. And this is what they're doing with this vaccine and telling everybody that they have to get tested. They're collecting DNA for the Great Reset and for the barcode of life. There's a website called Barcode Life. And I'm gonna let you know when you get to it. When you get to it, you're gonna see like the emblem or the logo that's on this Barcode Life. It looks like a serpent, it looks like a snake. All right? These people that's doing this stuff, that's behind this COVID, and that's behind all this testing and stuff like that, are satanic. And this is why you see Pastor Jerone pushing so hard for human freedom and human rights. And that's what President Donald Trump is all about. They want to get rid of President Donald Trump because he's not down with depopulating and barcoding the human race or any life. He fights for life. The man is the only president that spoke at the March for Life. He protects human life. But the Democrats and the Bill Gateses of the world are into destroying human life. And all you pastors out there that are supporting the Democrats, you are enemies of God. And anybody that's an enemy of God is an enemy of mine. I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't even want to speak to you. You guys you're enemies of God and enemies of humanity. Whether you do it willingly, knowingly, or unknowingly, you should know, because the Spirit of God should have taught you. And you should sit down when somebody like me comes along and try to show you something, but you think you know it all. So thus you will remain ignorant and an enemy of God, and you were going to bust hell wide open. And all of you Christians that's with these Democrats, you are involved in a great satanic scam that is hell-bent on depopulating and destroying and imprisoning humanity. See, when God placed man into the garden, he gave them freedom. And the only restriction that he gave them was not to eat from the tree of death, because he didn't want them to die. Because God didn't plant that tree. It was planted by Satan, the father of lies and of death and murder. Jesus said he was a murderer and a liar from the beginning. So that God gave them freedom to roam and do everything except for die. I don't want you to die. And these people who are satanic, they want to restrict. They want to take away your freedom, freedom of speech, right to live, right to provide a living for yourself. You don't have to go do a living for yourself. Let the government provide a living for you. No. Because when the government gets ready, they're going to say, I'm going to take away your food and your water unless you do what I want you to do. All right. But anyway, that little information, I might cover some more of that tonight in a live video. So I'll see y'all. Make sure y'all like and share. Subscribe to this channel. I'm going to open up another channel, Conservative Truth Radio. And I want y'all to join me over there. All right. God bless.